Everything we've done at Bell since day one of pursuing this program, it's always been about how do we produce the best Army aviator out the backside of this program. It's critically important for us to use our industry collaborators to help us develop our solution. We're really proud to have V2X on our team. They're going to help ensure that we have got a ready fleet of aircraft that we can meet the high op tempo demand of the Flight School Next program. Through simulation, they have developed the perfect device at the perfect time for us. The virtual reality training device in a 505. DigiFlight, they've been so involved with us in the solution development phase. They're well known for their expertise in training Army Apache pilots. Alpha One Aerospace, they've got some great past performance actually in training 505. Delaware Resource Group, they are masterful at providing capabilities across some of the low density admin supports and the tech piece and even some of the maintenance activities. Semperfly, it's a woman-owned, veteran-owned company out of Oklahoma, and they run an FAA 141 flight school. And all of it is designed to create the most robust, high-quality, cost-effective training program to the Army.